Hey, welcome to another episode of 365 Thoughts on Confidence. Trying to catch my breath. We're doing our usual run in Newlands Forest, and this is the walking section. I can't run this section because it's stairs. Lots and lots of stairs. Well, not right now, you can see the path behind me, but just look at this. That carries on up and up and up for forever. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Abigail, and I'm a self-proclaimed confidence crusader on a mission to help women elevate their confidence. Oh, this is going to be a short video. So today's thought on confidence is confidence is captivating. I'm sure you've experienced that before when you see or you meet a woman who just has an air of confidence around her.
Time 30 minutes 31 seconds. Distance 5 kilometers. Pace 6 minutes 6 seconds per kilometer. Split pace 7 minutes 37 seconds per kilometer.
To get that running commentary. And the confident women, they shine as beacons for the rest of us who are working on our confidence, because they represent what we're aiming for. They're showing us what's possible. They're showing us that it does exist. The state of confidence. But the thing is, those women, as captivating as they are in their confidence, I promise you, they are not confident 100% of the time. They are not confident in absolutely every situation. They have ebbs and flows too. And it might just be that you happen to catch them when they're on a peak. But I promise you that there are times when their confidence is in the valley. We all go through it. I go through that. I'm going through it. I didn't feel like doing this run today. Didn't feel like much at all. My confidence is a bit low. But then I go and look for examples of confidence to help me out of my funk, my temporary dip. Because I know this is temporary. This too shall pass. So whatever you are going through, if your confidence is feeling low, know that it is temporary, that you're always aiming for the next peak. And so the point is for you to seek out those captivatingly confident women when you're feeling low, when your confidence is low. Because there will come a time when you're at your peak, you're feeling confident, you're being awesomely captivating, and then And then you'll be in a position to help another woman who is feeling low. And so we help each other in our ebbs and flows, captivatingly confident, helping each other along. So that's my thought for the day. It's hard. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications button, share this with a woman who needs a lift in her confidence. And I'll see you tomorrow.